Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and here we're going to show you a really nice 17 Jeep Trailhawk L Plus. So it's a little optioned up more with the moonroof, the black wheels. Very nice condition. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. Remote start, I believe. Yep, remote start on it. 124,950, so got a few miles on it, but a very, very nice Cherokee. These are good vehicles. We sell a lot of them. This one has a tow package that you can see. There's the power hatch. That's an option. Like I said, you don't gotta worry about rust. The wheels ain't corroded. Body's in nice shape. Got a little bit of a maybe small ding there and a late scratch. But you're gonna have some of that on a 120,000 mile, 7-year-old vehicle. But at least I'll show you. Most guys won't show it to you. They hide it. So we're right up front, very transparent, and we back our stuff up. So even with 124,000 miles, this has a 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Nobody that I know of gives you that type of coverage on a vehicle this age and miles, but we've had it through our shop, service, checked it over, it's ready to go. 605-692-7010.